Alright guys, I've had a lot of guys ask me to do a review on my On3 N54 single turbo kit. It's got the 67, 66 On3 turbo, and I'm going to walk you guys through what I think and kind of my little setup of what I've got going on. Overall, the welds on this are pretty good. I would say, they're mostly decent on a lot of these. You can see the penetration that goes all the way through. The metal feels really nice. The finish is really nice on everything. They give you a bunch of spots to put O2 sensors on between the manifold and the downpipe. I will say with the downpipe, how it's positioned, it sits kind of up like this. The O2 sensors are kind of positioned at the ground. It's a little weird. Some people I've heard relocate them. They'll clear under my car just fine. So until something changes, I think I'm going to run just how they are. Other than that, the manifold seems pretty nice. Everything seals up really nice. It packaged up really nice when I got it. I got it in, I think, 3 or 4 days. Super quick. I swapped out the On3 wastegate for a VS Racing wastegate that I already had lying around. And then, like I said, my 67, 66 On3 Performance Turbo. It has a 68.68 AR. For those wondering, it has the upgraded billet compressor wheel. Hopefully this thing can last, a couple hundred miles. I've heard some pretty good things about these turbos. My tuner, actually, shout out to J-Tune. He has the journal bearing version of this. This is a ball bearing. And he says it's a really great turbo. He runs it on one of his cars, which I've actually seen quite a few videos of, and it rips. This is the wastegate dump tube. Eventually, I will have a setup. I'll do another video kind of showing around the car. I will have with this hood, until I get my carbon fiber hood, I'm going to use the stock downpipe for this and the dump tube. But I will do a hood dump eventually when I get a carbon hood, and then I can cut mine. Controlling everything with this max solenoid. This was pretty cheap. This was a lot cheaper than I thought this was going to be. I only paid I think $60 for that, something like that. But yeah, overall, this isn't a too in-deep video. I'm going to make another video when I go to install it. I've put it on the car a couple of times. That's why you can see, if you see any scratches or dirt or anything on here. It fit really nice. I'm going to do a video more in detail of me actually putting it in. All the stock nuts work. A lot of people get new nuts. I had newer nuts already that I had been using, and I didn't really want to throw them away for nothing. You only need 3 shortened ones. I'll show you that in a separate video where I ended up just cutting them, and they worked fine to shorten them down. So overall, yeah, that's I would overall honestly rate this probably, just for what it is, just these parts, minus the wastegate, which some people say are good, some people say are bad. I would say this kit is 9 out of 10. The only really questionable thing is this turbo. Not really sure how long this is going to last. Hopefully a long time. I am going to thrash the hell out of this thing. Not even going to lie to you guys. And I'll be making more videos going forward and everything. But yeah, I'll get you guys some more pics of this stuff, and stay tuned for the next video, man. I appreciate you guys.